Assalamualaikum and hi. Today in this video, I will present my final year research. My name is Muhammad Zulfahmi bin Muhammad Zamri. My matrix number is 252879. The topic that will be presented in this presentation sessions is implementation green technology usage in education among STML students Universiti Utara Malaysia UUM. Before I continue this presentation, I would like to thank my supervisor, Prof. Madya Dr. Muhammad Ghazali bin Hassan, project paper lecturer, Dr. Nur Shazwani binti Muhammad Nawi, and not forgetting all the parties involved directly or indirectly to complete this research. Now, I will continue my presentation. This is my poster and I will make it a presentation through the slide. Introduction. Green technology is an initiative that develops a variety of methodologies and enhancement of material from energy generation technique to non-toxic cleaning products. The main objective to be achieved in this rapidly growing field is to ensure the sustainability of economic development. With many specific studies on green technology, pointing to global warming and climate change caused by greenhouse gases, there is an increasing societal push for environmentally friendly mechanisms to help reduce the impact of fossil fuel consumption, landfill, and industrial waste. For your information, the issue related to the environment and the adoptions of green technology have received a large amount of attention over the last several years. Environmentalists won the 2007 Nobel Peace Prize. Governments around the world place global warming and greenhouses reduction as one of highest priorities, and business executives put the issue related to the environment at the top of their agenda. One of the government initiatives in developing green technology is that the government introduced the scheme pembiayaan teknologi hijau. The purpose is to promote investment in this technology to prevent natural destruction from continuously. The Malaysian government is also serious about implementing green technology in the community. There are various initiatives taken by the government to facilitate the pupil to accept the concept and objective of implementing this technology. Universiti Utara Malaysia also assists the government's effort in implementing green technology. Various programs has been conducted with the concept of green technology to provide awareness to students and university staff. Next, the problem statement. Based on the previous researcher on study, the main problem is the climate change and energy preservation, two of the world's most important issues that have now become the primary issues facing by people. Second, there are many barriers, incentive and promotional strategies that can affect green technology implementations. By understanding the barriers, driver and promotional strategy will significantly promote green technology implementations. To several studies were conducted to analyze the green technology. For example, green technology is implemented in STML, Universiti Utara Malaysia. Now I continue my presentations to objective research. My objective research is divided into four. First, to identify the relationship between attitude and green technology usage among STML students. Second, to determine relationship between cost effectiveness and green technology usage among STML students. Third, to determine relationship between lifestyle and green technology usage among STML students. And the last, to identify relationship between environment concern and green technology usage among STML students. This is my research framework that I have green technology usage as a dependent variable, and I have 4 independent variables such as attitude, cost effectiveness, lifestyle, and environment concern. Next slide. I also have 4 hypotheses in this research. First hypothesis is there is significant relationship between attitude and the green technology usage among STML students in Universiti Utara Malaysia. Second, there is significant relationship between cost effectiveness and the green technology usage among STML students in Universiti Utara Malaysia. Third, there is significant relationship between lifestyle and the green technology usage among STML students in Universiti Utara Malaysia. And the last, there is significant relationship between environment concern and green technology usage among STML students. Now I continue my presentations about research methodology. I'm using the quantitative method to get the data. I'm use questionnaire as a medium for my respondent to answer my question about my research. For the information, my total number of respondents was 310 from STML student. 310 sampling were choosing based on the Cringe and Morgan's tables. 310 respondents from around 1,500 total STML students from 3 programs. Next slide is about data analysis. Once the data is collected through quantitative method, descriptive statistics is one of the first steps done by the researcher as part of the data analysis is to produce about the variables to study in the study. In the demographic section, there are 5 elements in my research such as gender, race, age, cost, and semester. First, I would like to talk about gender. In this study, female respondents indicate highest responses compared to male respondents. Based on the diagram, the total number of female respondents is around 176 pupils, around 57%, and the total number of male respondents is 134 pupils, around 43%. Next, I will explain about race. In this study, Malay is the highest responses between Chinese, Indian, and other race. Now I will presenting about age. We can see the majority of respondents who participate in this research are from the age group of 19 to 22 years old. Okay, next. From the 310 respondents involved, 115 were from the Bachelor of Business Administration, Logistics and Transportation, 106 from the Bachelor of Management Technology, and 89 respondents from the Bachelor of Operation Management. And the last one, about semester. We can see majority respondents are from semester 7 compared to other semester. Alright, in this slide, I will provide reliability test for the finding. For variable green technology usage and attitude range is 0.7. It's considered to be acceptable. And for variable cost effectiveness and lifestyle considered to be a good because the batch alpha value more than 0.8. While for the last variable environment concern is 0.6, so it's considered poor but still can accept it. I continue my next slide. Next slide is about hypothesis test. I use the correlation test to get the result of hypothesis. The hypothesis can be accepted when the value obtained under 0.05 for 90%, 95%, or 0.1 for 90% confidence level. Based on the table show, all the hypotheses are accepted because all the significant value under 0.05, which is 0.00 for all hypotheses. Conclusion. In the conclusion, this study focused on students using green technology during the learning and teaching process. In particular, all parties should play an essential role in better exposing students to using green technology, the benefit of using green technology, the impact on the environment, and emphasizing a green lifestyle to students. Program related to awareness on the use of green technology should also be done frequently and should involve all students to be more exposed to its use. Thank you for focusing in my presentations. If you have any question, you can contact me at the email and number phone listed in the slide. Thank you.